Okay, y'all, this is spur of the moment chicken wings. So I call these my blessed and highly seasoned wings. Okay, they've been cooking for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Naked wings. There's a lot of seasoning, and y'all know how I season. Let's see. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Still popping and cracking. No oil, because naked wings with skin make their own oil, as you can see. I usually don't flip my chicken, but I want to see how both sides look. Okay. I'm going to let them continue to cook. Maybe another 5 minutes. Okay, I'm getting ready to get my wings out of here, y'all. Smell them. Push this back. Okay. I call these blessed and highly seasoned, but another name would be blessed and highly flavored. Hello. And I got my tray ready. Got some barbecue sauce down there. Put this closer. Not showing myself. My daughter came over here earlier. She dropped off some drumettes. She likes flats too, so she just eat the flats. So she dropped off her drumettes. So we got extra drumettes. Okay, I'll wash this later. The Cicero fry baskets are very easy to clean. Okay. Here are my blessed and highly flavored naked wings. Hello. Oh, there's seasoning on there. I got some of everything on here. Y'all know how I do. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the night. It's almost midnight. Let me see how crispy it is. I know it's hot. Crispy. Y'all hear that? I'm not going to get on camera. Okay. I'm gone. Bye.